in another post, ito sirahin mo. Pero, alam mo, kaya tayo nagmi-meeting dito, para mini-mention ko ito, no? Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ko pinansin yan. Matagal na yan eh. Di ba? Hindi ko pinansin yan. Ito, ha? Ang sabi mo, you know, Kong Benny Abante, I can find all of this. Isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Mr. Chair, I am not very familiar.
Yes
on
or
that
no,
post.
Mr. Chair? Is that still, you think, freedom of speech? When you said, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo.
Mr.
Is
Chair,
that freedom of speech?
yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganun. Oo. So, ibig sabihin, ganito. If I tell you right now, sasampaling kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir, it's overt
Ay, hindi
action
na.
already. Yes,
Hindi
sir.
na, no?
Yes, sir.
Oo, ang galing.